If you want to connect ChatGPT to AutoTrader, this guide will walk you through the full process step by step in a simple and beginner-friendly way. Once connected, you can make your workflow faster, easier, and more efficient when working with AutoTrader inside ChatGPT. So if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more easy tech guides, and let's get right into it. First, open your browser and go to ChatGPT. Once you're on the main page, click on your profile icon and then find and click on Settings. This is where you can manage your ChatGPT preferences and connected apps. Inside Settings, look for the Apps section and click on it. This is the area where ChatGPT lets you connect external tools and services. Next, click on Add More so you can browse available apps and connectors. In the search bar, type AutoTrader. As you type, ChatGPT will filter the available apps and bring up the correct one. When AutoTrader appears, click on it to open the app details page. Here, you'll see the option to connect, so go ahead and click Connect. ChatGPT may ask you to confirm the connection one more time, so click Connect again if prompted. Once the app is linked, go back to ChatGPT and start a new chat. This is important because it gives you a fresh conversation where the integration can work properly. Now click the plus icon, then click on More so that you can access the available connected tools. From that list, choose AutoTrader, and that's it. AutoTrader is now connected to ChatGPT and ready to use. From here, you can continue chatting, explore the available features, and use the integration to streamline your tasks. If you are following along, you should now be fully set up and ready to get started. If this video helped you connect ChatGPT to AutoTrader, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.